Alright, you lazy bachelors. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee real easy without any mess. Normally people make tea coffee in pots like this, but then you have to wash it again. That's just too much work. What we need is a cup and make sure it's microwave safe. Then you put in the coffee, instant coffee, according to your taste, about 1 teaspoon, a little bit more. Then sugar, again according to your taste, about 2 teaspoons for me. Then you just add milk. And then we put it in the microwave. So about 2 minutes is fine. I put it for 2.5 minutes. And we wait. So now it's ready. Take it out of the oven. Give it a stir. If you stir it while it's cold, it's not gonna mix properly, so make sure you stir it when it's hot. Check if it's all dissolved or not. And that's it. The coffee is ready. And all we have to wash is just the spoon and the cup. Enjoy, folks.